In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the meeting organizer or owner in Outlook. This is a common request, and there's one important thing to know right up front. Outlook doesn't let you directly switch the organizer of an existing meeting. The only reliable method is to cancel the original meeting and have the new organizer recreate it from their own account. I'll walk you through that process step by step and share a few tips to make it smooth for everyone. Start by opening your browser and going to Microsoft.com. At the top, select All Microsoft to see the full list of Microsoft services. From there, click Outlook to open the Outlook web experience. If you're not already signed in, click Sign In and enter your account credentials. Once you're in, switch to Calendar so you can manage your meetings. Find the meeting you want to transfer and click on it to open the details. Before you cancel, it's a good idea to quickly note the key information the new organizer will need, such as the title, agenda, date and time, location or online meeting link, and the attendee list. You can copy this information into a message or a document so it's easy to hand over. If it's a recurring meeting, decide whether you need to cancel just one occurrence or the entire series. Go ahead and cancel the meeting. When you choose cancel, Outlook will prompt you to send a cancellation notice. Always send the update so attendees' calendars are cleared and there's no confusion. You can also add a short note in the cancellation message to let everyone know a new invitation will follow from a different organizer. Next, inform the new meeting organizer that they should recreate the meeting using their own Outlook account. Share the details you saved so they can set the same time, include the correct people, and reattach any necessary files or links. When they create the new invitation, they'll become the official organizer, which means they'll control attendee permissions, manage updates, and if it's an online meeting, access features like lobby settings and recordings. If your team uses an online meeting provider, remind them to add the correct meeting link or enable the meeting add-in before sending. That's it. By cancelling the original invite and having the new organizer send a fresh one, you ensure calendars stay accurate and the right person has control moving forward. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.